People in Mexico, Colombia, Peru, and Chile, they will have better access to cheap imported goods. This after a signed free trade agreement, which is another step towards closer ties in the so-called Pacific Alliance. Michelle Begue has more from Cartagena.
On Monday, the four presidents signed the free trade accord at the core of their alliance.
Y que sin duda, la Alianza del Pacífico.
Without a doubt, the Pacific Alliance is establishing itself as an economic instrument that is generating great expectations and visibility around the world.
The presidents met with several goals in mind: to deepen integration between their four economies, streamline their immigration policies, and reduce social inequality. Asia is a big part of these plans. From the outset, alliance members said their goal was to advance free trade with, quote, a clear orientation towards Asia. The newly signed trade accord will remove tariffs on 92% of trade between the four countries of the alliance and will take effect immediately. In 2012, the Pacific Alliance nations received $71 billion in foreign direct investment, and this agreement aims to attract even more.
Together, we are looking to open doors to diplomatic relations and investments in different parts of the world, but as one team. That is something which is unprecedented.
The group's gross domestic product collectively is more than $2 trillion, equivalent to about a third of the Caribbean and Latin America's GDP combined. The Pacific Alliance has more than 25 observer states, including representatives from some of the biggest economies on the other side of the Pacific Rim: China, South Korea, and Australia. It's an exclusive club that is to expand. Having launched with just 4 members a year and a half ago, 2 more Latin American nations with Pacific coastlines are applying for membership: Panama and Costa Rica. On Monday, Costa Rican President Laura Chinchilla signed a commitment to accelerate her country's entry into the trading bloc.
We hope that this proposal will attract more and more countries. We urge that this alliance be substantiated by ideals and dogmas. We hope that the alliance will be pragmatic and not look at the past with nostalgia, but as a stimulus for the present and reason to construct the future.
Officials also restated one of the alliance's chief objectives going forward: to serve as a bridge between Latin America and Asia Pacific. Michelle Begue, CCTV, Cartagena, Colombia.